Welcome to Afro Ambient, where music isn't just heard, it's felt. This song represents man who became family to us all. Your legacy plays on.
Afro Ambient music.
The light left a trail of rhythm. Every room he passed felt right.
You could feel the soul he gave. His legacy still plays.
Yeah, yeah. He ain't say too much, but every move was deep. Bass in his fingers, truth in his speed. He never followed trends. He taught him how to lead. Kept it all real, no noise, just peace.
He wasn't out here chasing shine. He was out here changing scripts. Every frame a fingerprint. He gave the culture live. Yeah.
He ain't play a part, nah. He played the whole scene. Made grown men grace feel like a dream. Legacy loud in the quiet ones. Heart so heavy, still filled with love. You ain't gotta go viral to shine. He proved it at every time. Legacy don't sleep, it breathes in baselines, footsteps, and believe. Still feel that groove in the air, cause legends don't disappear. Oh, 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 oh.
From sitcom laughs to poetic nights, he gave manhood a new design. Didn't need no flex to move the room. He moved with truth and took his time.
Taught us presence over fame, purpose over games. He made you wanna stand taller, just hearing his name. Yeah.
He ain't just a moment,
He the moon.
every bar he dropped still
Feeling smooth.
legacy ain't past tense.
It's proof that love done right still moves. Yeah. Legacy loud in the quiet ones. Heart so heavy, still filled with love. You ain't gotta go viral to shine. He proved that every time. Legacy don't sleep, it breathes in baselines, footsteps, and believe. Still feel that groove in the air, cause legends don't disappear.
If something in this moved you, hit subscribe. The next track might just speak to you louder.